Risk management for stress to reverse heart disease. Stress is part and parcel of life. In fact, life itself can be considered as a continuous succession of problems, with the occasional crisis thrown in just to keep things exciting. You're not escaping stress if you're on this planet. So, that's a given. What you need to know is how to deal with it. And here's where so many people fail. When you don't control your stress, it ends up controlling you and turns your life into a living nightmare. Unbridled stress that lasts for long periods is known as chronic stress, and it can lead to heart disease. Your blood pressure will rise when you're stressed out, and this is one of the highest risk factors for heart disease. Your heart rate will also be accelerated. People tend to get heart attacks when they are stressed out because the arteries get constricted when you're stressed. Stress causes inflammation in your body, and this is the main cause of heart disease. To make matters worse, stress also raises your cholesterol levels. Yes, it does. Since your body produces most of the cholesterol in your body, changing your diet will have minimal effect if you do not manage your stress. In this video, we'll look at how to reduce your risks of stress. It's not about stress management tips, but about doing what it takes to avoid putting yourself in situations where you may encounter a lot of stress. Know your triggers. This is very important. Each of us has a unique personality. What's most important is that you know yourself and what triggers you. If you get stressed when you watch or read the news, just stop. You do not need that negativity in your life. If you see people discussing politics on social media and you find yourself getting riled up, avoid reading such posts or take a break from social media. If some people get your nerves every time you meet them, then avoid them or have minimal contact with them. Know your triggers and eliminate them. The less triggers present, the lower your microaggressions and stress. Are you lonely? Social isolation can be stressful. This is especially true as one ages. Get involved in community activities or join classes at the gym where you can interact with others. No man is an island. Make friends, have a social life and have fun. And your stress levels will drop. Dealing with anger. Some people have difficulty dealing with their anger. It's a fact that your risk of a heart attack is 3 times higher if you have a high level of anger. People with a tendency to angry outbursts tend to be cynical and may even get aggressive. They usually have a dominant personality and get irritated easily. All these emotions release stress chemicals in your body. Your heart rate will go up. Your breathing will be shallow, and your muscles will be tense. All these are best avoided by getting help from a professional. You'll learn effective techniques for anger management, and the more you practice them, the better you'll get. Just being aware of the 3 points above will allow you to be more mindful of how stress enters your life and the toll it takes on your mind, body and soul. Eliminate stress as much as you can, and you'll lower your risk of heart disease considerably.